don't even got the exhaust back here. Oh yeah, that sounds good, bro. Damn, you can hear it for sure. Shit! You can do a pull on the way back if you want.
You want me to drive?
Yeah, you can.
Oh shit, I ain't gonna say no.
Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Tez back with another banger, man. Y'all can see we got the windows down, bro. If you know me, if you're a part of the gang and you've been here, y'all know that I do not ride with the windows down. So the title and thumbnail is not cat, man. The ZL1 is really broke. If y'all watched the last video when I raced that 5th gen ZL1, you can literally hear the AC belt shredding. If you didn't watch that video, I'm gonna drop the link real quick just so y'all can see. But I did some dumb shit, man. Usually when I race, I always make sure I turn the AC off. Y'all, I done left it on and it was barely on. Like, it was literally on the lowest thing it could have been on. And with me leaving the AC on while racing, it literally shredded that belt. So thank God it wasn't the compressor, because I would have been coming up a lot of money for that. Thank God it's just the belt. So this is what I got left from my old AC belt, y'all. Y'all see, I had to go grab a new one so we can get some AC back in here, man. I just can't do it, man. If you live in Michigan, then you know that this week is hot as hell. Look. He literally pouring water on his damn head. So, so y'all can see, bro, it's hot as hell, bro. Don't say nothing about me having this sweater on. I only had it on because I've been up since this morning. And this morning it's been kind of cold. So, yeah, man, like I said, it's about 90 degrees damn near in Michigan. We got to get this AC fixed. If you don't know, I'm gonna put this up just so y'all can see me real quick. If you don't know my boy Eldon, he got his own shop and he do all types of work on cars. He can do engine work, exhaust work, literally anything you can think of. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back up to his shop so he can, you know, put this belt back on for me, because we gotta get the ZL1 fixed, man. Hopefully this helped y'all if y'all be racing. If y'all didn't believe that the AC can get up from racing with it on, hopefully this helped y'all, man, because y'all can see I'm literally riding with the windows down for y'all. I'm fucking sweating. I don't got no AC, man. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as I get to my boy Elder's shop, man. We get her first. Woo! We need that drag pack on here ASAP, y'all. I don't know if y'all be paying attention, but these tires be just screaming all over, bro. Try one more. Oh, the blower is screaming today, dude. I know y'all hear that supercharger whine today. She is screaming. We is currently pulling up to my boy Eldon's shop, and I never seen his new Beamer, and I think this sit out here. Yeah, so we done made it to my boy's shop like I was just showing y'all. We see got my boy Jack staying up there, looking real good with that blue, the Chevy stole from the GT, from the Ford. But yeah, so we finna get this started. Eldon got this cat in here too. He finna start up, man. You can go ahead, bro. That thing is loud, man. It's kind of disrespectful. You're doing it right on the Chevy. What, this for sale though?
Yeah.
How much is listed for?
We probably gonna post it for like 50.
50? Yeah. How many miles on it again?
Shit, I don't know.
Man, y'all boys better come. Y'all see this video? Y'all better come get this. 46?
Yeah. It's a 16 though.
But shit, that shit don't even matter.
Yeah, not really.
I like the beginning models more. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Man, so y'all see it, man. So what, it's a 2016? You should have got how much on there?
46.
46K on here. For what, you said 50?
Yeah.
Alright, so 50. My bad, I ain't trying to keep asking, but I had to get it right for y'all. So if y'all want this cat, man, y'all better come get this. Still, y'all here already got an exhaust on it, everything, man. Come get it, man. Don't miss out on this still.
We got somebody coming tomorrow.
Something coming tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
It's the auction. They come in to look at it.
Oh, okay. I thought you said something else coming tomorrow.
Oh, no.
Well, shit, if this not going by tomorrow, y'all better hit me up, DM me, do what y'all can. But y'all see, we gotta get the whole intake off just to do this. Is that the only thing you gotta remove?
I'm about to find out.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, so shit, he gonna do his little job on that. I'm gonna sit back, let him get his hands dirty since I'm paying him for it. I'm gonna go ahead and just get some of this recorded, man. Oh yeah, y'all, so I didn't even actually show, I told y'all I was gonna show y'all his Stang, but this my boy Jatavia's Stang. I don't know if he gonna want me to tell y'all everything that's done to it on the video or not, but this is a car that you don't want to play with, man. It look real clean. I love them clear lights, bro. I don't know what it is. I always had a thing for like metallic and white stripes on like darker colors. Shit hard as hell to me. Yeah, man, so I'ma text Tay, see if he don't care if I get his car on the vlog, man, see if he'll let us start it up, because I definitely want y'all to hear this thing. Like I said, there's some crazy power here that y'all probably never seen, but we'll go ahead, set the camera up here, and I'm gonna just show y'all Eldon doing the work to the car. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as he get done, or as soon as we figure out how he can take it off. That's too big, yeah. Yeah, y'all, so I done got the wrong size belt, but thank God we got somebody that know what they doing, man. Cause I would have been shit by myself. We finna get this other belt real quick. I think he finna get it delivered here, but it's another thing I want to show y'all that I didn't tell y'all yet. I got a new plate, man. I had to get rid of this one, but it's for my boy Tavy, man, so I'm about to show y'all real quick. This is what I wanted to show y'all, man, so y'all can see this long live Tavy G1. If y'all don't know, me and him was real cool, man. He just passed a few months ago due to a car accident. Y'all know I said I'm gonna keep his name alive, so I feel like this is the best thing I could have did, because me and him was like real crazy with our custom plates, so I had to do this for my boy, man. So while he trying to grab the belt, the AC belt, the correct AC belt, I'm finna put this on real quick. So we finna go to the other store real quick to go grab his other belt. My boy Eldon finna give me a ride in the Beamer. Hold on, let me show y'all the Beamer first, man. 340i. He actually smoked my boy Kurt in here. Kurt don't want to show the video, man. Kurt, you better upload that video and stop hiding. Oh, Eldon gonna make me get a Beamer. This bitch nice as fuck. Digital dash here. Look at the dash, y'all.
In 7 miles, the destination is on your left. O'Reilly Auto Parts.
That bitch sound good as hell. This move. Oh shit. This quick, bro. I like how that anti-lag shit sound, bro. That shit hard. Yeah, don't be sleeping on the Beamer, man. This thing moving today. Try to launch for y'all. Oh! Camera hit me in my face. Yeah, this bitch moving, bro. It's like smooth as hell, too, bro. Like the shit's smooth.
That's why I ain't get the manual.
If I got any BMW people on here, man, I'll tell me if I should get a BMW when I blow up, man.
100%.
I definitely want a Beamer. I like how it's different, bro. It's like smooth as hell, clean.
You know, this is a 3 Series. It ain't even the luxury one or nothing.
Yeah. See, you got the red, all the guts and everything, the digital dash. New for real.
Nah, if you get a BB, you need an M. That's the only thing.
You said an M? Yeah, like an M4, M5.
Yeah. M5, that's a whole different story. M4 is okay.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
See, we just left O'Reilly's, man, so we hopping back in the Beamer, man. We got the right belt, so I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we get back to bro shop. Ooh, hold on, right for me one time. Damn, that just sound great. Yeah, I'm about to hop back in here though, man. Alright, so y'all see we done made it back to the Z, man, but we got some bad news, man. So what's going on now is we got the right belt. We didn't realize that we got to take the whole lower pulley off just to put the AC bit on, because there's 3 different belts in there. We got the right one, we just don't have a tool to get the lower pulley off. So either we're gonna wait and do this a different day, or I'm gonna just take the car to, you know, my tuning shop and have them fix it whenever I go there for something else. So I'm just giving y'all an update on what's going on, because we did not put the bit on yet, so I just had to let y'all know why. But I did get the plate on, so y'all can see what the plate look like. It actually look way better in my opinion. I ain't really telling nobody it's an automatic or a 10-speed no more. So y'all tell what y'all think about that plate, man. But I'ma just give y'all boys an update on what's going on. Either, like I said, either we're gonna fix it later today, figure something out, go get the tool, or like I said, I might just wait and just have you know, my tuner fix it if I have to go back there soon. So but before I end this video, I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm doing, y'all. As y'all can see, man, like I was just saying, we did not get the problem fixed. I didn't get the belt on. Now I'm just actually driving it up the street because the check engine light came on, and I don't know if, you know, something was unconnected or something was loose. So I'm about to do, like, you know, just some quick pulls real quick just to make sure, you know, the check engine light don't come back on. But like I said, I'm gonna either go back to Strictly and have them just put this belt on for me, or whenever we get the time, I'm gonna have Eldon do it again. But, you know, I just want y'all to know, this is what you go through, you know, when you build a car, when you race it, when you beat on it. You know, shit like this happen. You don't always get it fixed right away. So today is one of them days where, you know, we could have fixed the problem. Yes, we could have, but it probably would have took way longer because we already just went to the store. So we wasn't finna go back out to the store, but I'm gonna do these little test pulls real quick just to make sure that everything is on right, everything is tight, so the engine light don't come back on. And I'm gonna just see y'all when I get back, because I'm gonna show y'all my man's Jatavia's Mustang back there, because I think y'all want to see it. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as I get back. Woo! We just got sideways, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera down and try to actually do this without recording, y'all. So I just came back, you know, just to show Eldon, you know, that the car was still good. The engine light never came back on, so the car is all good. I'm finna just give my boy Eldon a ride real quick so he can see how I feel. He said he ain't really been in nothing fast like that, so I'm gonna do a little pull real quick and see how he like it before I wrap this video up. Bro, I don't know why I can't even turn the traction off, bro, because it literally just like scream and spin, bro.
Oh yeah, I bet if you turn it off, you gotta control that bitch.
Yeah. Like right up here, it be showing colored lights too.
Oh, you got the heads up display too? Okay.
Yeah, that's where it be showing the colors at. Like you can see sweet. Right when you shift. You shift on time and it turns green. That shit wrong.
You gotta put it in.
Either that or the paddle shift.
They already work anyway.
Like, sometimes I have it like this and slap it on, or just fuck with it.
Like I ain't is worse.
Yes.
Alcantara?
Hell yeah. Like it's bald, but it still feels
Yeah, no, it feels good. That shit. When it gets higher up, that shit.
Yeah, get all
loose.
loose as fuck. Oh no. I'm gonna have to upgrade the suspension or something.
It might be the road too, but I don't know what did it do that at the track?
Nah, hell no.
Then it's probably just the road. Cause I mean, shit, ZL1 it probably already has good suspension.
Yeah, hell yeah.
On the dig, does it lift up too much?
Yeah, hell yeah, that bitch lifts for sure.
Yeah, dude. Just get some better shots.
Hell yeah.
Shit, I appreciate it.
Hell yeah. Yeah, before we wrap this video up, man, I'm gonna let y'all hear my boy Tate Mustang too, man.
Yeah.
Y'all hear this thing real quick. Hold on, y'all see, he don't even got the exhaust back here. Oh yeah, that sound good, bro. Damn. Y'all can't even hear it in there. Yeah, you can hear it for sure. Yeah, man. If y'all can't hear that in there, I ain't gonna tell y'all what's in there, man. Like I said, we gonna get this fixed soon, y'all. I ain't really tripping because nothing serious. So when I get it fixed, man, I'm gonna just give y'all an update, man. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, man. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm out.